very, very innovative, one of its kind, especially because of their lifelike tissue models for hands-on experiences.
This is one of the most comprehensive trainings that I have attended.
Hi, I'm Dr. Manvi Verma.
Hi, this is Dr. Vrushali Rani Khan.
Hi, I'm Dr. Aditi Tandon.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manish Mahajan.
And here at IMAS, we just completed the first ever training course in cosmetic gynecology and regenerative medicine. So the candidates learned all the various aspects of cosmetic gynecology, which is a very upcoming branch in Gynac.
Now we have started a cosmetic gynecology course over here that enables us for learning various newer procedures like the PRP application and various other modalities like MNRF, carboxytherapy, and also the hands-on demonstration about the PRP and injectables in cosmetic gynecology.
It was a wonderful experience. They taught us all the pros and cons. They taught us what to do, what not to do, and it was really great.
They guided us whole throughout the course, both the practical aspects as well as their theoretical thing and clinical applications, what to do at which setting, what treatment is best for what scenarios.
So each of the candidate will have his or her separate humanoid tissue model in which you will gain haptic experience about the various skills. So there would be surgical procedures like labia majoroplasty, labia minoroplasty, hymenoplasty, vaginoplasty, and the different energy-based devices will have hands-on all the live machines, and also the minimally invasive procedures like the injectables, the fillers, hyaluronic acid, botulinum toxin, and much more.
Thing which I need to appreciate is the models. I know those models they have given us to do for the labioplasty and all, excellent. They are almost mimicking the true human models.
It is very difficult to get hands-on about the labial surgeries or cosmetic genital surgical procedures. This is the one specific part about this course that hands-on about these procedures will be taught to you, and as well as you will be able to perform this procedure on the tissue model under expert supervision, as well as same for trying the injectable, the specific site about it. So these are the excellent tissue models. They are almost looking like live patients, and that will give you a very different kind of experience.
Whether you are somebody who's new to gynecology and just started their practice, or somebody who's been doing gynecology for many years and wants to learn something new, I think this is the place you have to be. It has a very diverse faculty, from dermatologists like me to a plastic surgeon who's specializing in cosmetic gynecology to people who are actually practicing cosmetic gynecology. This is a one-stop place where you can come, revise what you already learned and learn something new for sure.
So all this is going to be a great learning experience for all the practicing gynecologists and even the fellows and the residents who are doing the residency in obstetrics and gynecology. This is going to be a great learning experience.
After doing this course, I am sure that everyone will be able to perform this procedure independently at their own patients whenever it is needed.
I have been to many other places for training in cosmetic gynecology. But hands down, this is one of the most comprehensive trainings that I have attended. The first highlight were, of course, the faculties who have been there, the names that I found as faculties for this course. And I knew that IMAST is one place where I will get evidence-based training and well-researched and science-backed practices. Also, in no other training did I get an exhaustive training on the surgical aspect of cosmetic gynecology. So overall it has been a very good experience, and of course if somebody asks me where to go and train for cosmetic gynecology, I think this is one good choice.
Excellent, the team of IMAS. Thank you very much.